Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide. Today we brought you a brand new video. We want to show you how to download or install Bitdeer app on your iOS device. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Bitdeer is a crypto mining app that lets you earn cryptocurrency easily. Keep in mind, cryptocurrency is a volatile investment, so do your own research before you get started. Grab your iPhone or iPad and launch the App Store. It's the one that looks like an A inside a blue circle. Search for a video, tap the search for video. Tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen and at the top of the screen type in Bitdeer. A list of app will appear. Find the Bitdeer app. Look for the official Bitdeer app. It should have the Bitdeer logo or deer head and likely say Bitdeer Cloud Mining or something similar next to it. Once you have found the right app, tap the Get button. You might need to verify your identity using Face ID or Touch ID to download the app. Wait for the download. The app should now download and install automatically. You will see a little progress wheel next to the Get button, and that will turn into an Open button once it's done. Once the download is complete, tap the Open button to launch the Bitdeer app. The download is complete, tap the Open button to launch the Bitdeer app. Alright, that's it. You have now downloaded and installed the Bitdeer app on your iPhone or iPad. You can now start exploring the app and mining cryptocurrency. Remember, do your own research on cryptocurrency before investing. We will bring more of this. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all so you never miss an update. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.